Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you ever have those days when you just need to lay in bed with a nice cup of comforting tea? Well, generally for a few days during the month, I need to do that. And I've come to really love this Buddha's raspberry leaf tea to help support me through those times. It has a really nice, pleasant, earthy taste to it, but it doesn't taste too woody or like you're drinking dirt, even though it's very natural tasting. I really appreciate that Buddha Teas uses unbleached tea bags because I like to compost my tea bags, and so I like to know that when I put it in the compost, it's not going to have any kind of bad chemicals in it, and it can go ahead and go into my garden when it's done decomposing. They also use pure ingredients that don't have additives or even natural flavorings, so you know that you're getting the real deal when you drink this tea. I always have this raspberry leaf tea on hand so that it's ready to go when I need it. I really like it, and that's my point of view.